Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Beautybybniecy here. If this is your very first time, welcome to the Niecyfam. I want to see you every week when I post a video, so please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos when I post. If this is not your very first time, thank you so much for all your support. In today's video, I am gonna create a daytime smoky eye look. I think I have seen so many videos around, but anytime they create a smoky eye look, it looks like an evening and it's more like bold, but I wanted to create something very simple which is good for the day. So if you guys want to see the look that I'm able to come up with, I need you to stay tuned. So for a daytime look, we're gonna start off with the face. I'm gonna spray my face with the Olay Mist. This is the Ultimate Hydration Essence. And then I'm going in with my Touch in Soul No Poreblem primer. And foundation for today, I'm gonna create a concoction. So I went in to get this Nars Sheer Glow foundation. New Caledonia is the shade. It is actually pretty good for me, but it is a little too dark. The shade that is just above it is Macau, I believe, and that is a little too light for me. I'm surprised it is. So I'm just gonna mix it with my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage, just a little bit of it. This foundation is just a tad bit too light, but because it oxidizes, I'm able to wear it alone. But I'm gonna try to mix it. Hopefully it helps and it works together. And then we're gonna conceal with the Nars Radiance Creamy Concealer. This is it. I am using the shade Amande to conceal. And since this is daytime, I'm going to be very minimal.
25-30, banka to banka, I go do party and invite DJ who get it. If you don't forget it.
So I'm just gonna let this sit for a minute before I blend it in.
If you be music, forget it. Natalie say forget it. Militant say forget it. Skinny say forget it.
And then I'm gonna lightly set it with the BeautyBakerie flour powder. This is translucent. Actually, this is yellow. I always thought it was translucent, but it is yellow. So for the brows, I'm gonna brush it out with my Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. This is number 4. I'm gonna brush it out with that. Usually when I'm going to work, I don't really fill in my brows. All I do is this one, but today I'm just gonna fill it in a little bit at the tail. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So all that I'm doing is just brushing this out. I'm gonna use my I'm gonna use my Urban Decay brow blade. This is in the shade Dark Drapes. This is a lifesaver. This felt tip is so easy to use. If you're a beginner and you can get hold of it, I think you should. So that's pretty much it. I know I brought this just a little bit closer on this brow, but it was because the sparse hairs were a lot here, and then I just brush it out. And then I'm gonna use this Nars eyelid primer that I got. This is a sample that came with my order when I ordered the foundation and the concealer. I'm gonna use that to prime my eyes for my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use my MAC Art Library eyeshadow palette. This is Flam-buoyant. This is just a new palette that came out. I I've already used it in an Instagram video, so if you guys are not following me on Instagram, you're missing out. These are the shades, very beautiful warm shades. I'm gonna go into this shade to act as a transition shade all over the lid. And then we're gonna make the crease a lot deeper, so we're gonna go into this berry shade. So any shades that are in the brown family or even in the purple, any deeper shade is fine. Anytime I'm doing smoky eye, I start from the outer corners of the eye, and then I blend it up and into the crease. I'm gonna go into the deepest shade. This one is called Dark Dada Issues. Ooh, Dada Issues. Alright, I'm gonna go into this deeper shade, and then I didn't know that the names were at the back, so I started reading it. I'm just gonna place it here at the bottom, almost on the lash line, and just concentrate it there. And because this is daytime, I don't want to have a lot of intensity with this shadow, so we're just going to be very subtle. Okay, so for the lid, I'm going in with this bronze gold. This is a pure gold. I'm gonna go into that shade, and then I'm gonna place that all on my lid. So just to swatch it for you guys to see the color that I'm talking about. This is just one swatch. It's pretty. It's very pretty. You know what? Let me just try with my finger first. Here we go. Boom. Super pigmented.
If it be car, forget it. If it be woman, forget it. Money, I get plenty. If it be music, forget it. Not the least, forget it.
And to blend out the eyes. And then for the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go into that darkest shade again. I'm gonna just smudge it under the eye. Actually, I'm gonna place that under the eye, and then I'll go in this warm color to smoke it out.
If it be music, forget it. Not the least, forget it.
So with that done, we're gonna go to the liner. Now the liner, I'm not gonna make any wing. I'm just gonna do a simple, easy liner. Nothing is going in the waterline.
Y'all bend down low. Tommy, no ma let me abo. Bache, no ma pay me abo. Mami abo.
Okay, I actually needed a thinner liner, but this is all I got right now. That's closer to me. You know what? I know I said I wouldn't do anything in the waterline, but maybe I need to, just to create a little just to tie up the look. Let me put it that way. Yeah, it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna go off camera to finish up the face, and as I said, I may or may not use lashes, and then I'll come back with the final look. Hi guys, welcome back. So this is the finished look. This is everything else on the face. This face looks big, and this eye is so simple. Like, you can go out in the day with it. Like, I'm going to work right now and I feel comfortable. I don't feel like my eye is overpowering. I did put the lashes on, and these lashes are from Kiss. They are from the Naked Drama collection. This is Veil, V-E-I-L, and it's not too dramatic, so I think it will be appropriate. So guys, I need you to sound off below. Let me know what your thoughts are about this look. Let me know if you recreated. This look is actually also good for the evening. If you don't want an overpowering eye, you can wear this look also in the evening. Let me know down below what you think about this makeup look, and also give me suggestions. What are the products out there that you guys want me to try for you before you make up your mind to purchase it? And also, if you just want me to try out something and see how it works, even if you're not gonna buy it, let me know down below. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram, Bay_Niecy and Beautybybniecy. Follow me, show me some love. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.
Money, I get plenty. If it be music, forget it. Not the least, forget it.